everyone, welcome back to Caldera Creative Creations. Today we got this beautiful year-round mix, summer and fall wreath going on. We are working with some beautiful eucalyptics. We got some yellow florals and we also got some white. We got some purples going on and we got this beautiful ribbon and we got a little butterfly. I made this little sign, attached it to it, and let's just get this started now. Okay, here we go. We are first going to work our way around this way. We're going to come up like this. Gonna have some down. That. Let's work our way up. I'm going backwards. There. Got it going on. Look at that. I got these little kitties at the 99-cent store, man. Pretty cute, so I thought, hey, I could use those in my wreath. So got those going on. I think we're gonna get a little more in here like that. There we go. Let me see. Okay, we got it right here. There. Then we are going to get some beautiful florals in here. I want to kind of mix with, summer. Yeah, because we're going to be going into fall lately. I mean, soon. There, look at that. I'm going to get this here. There. Get some beautiful purples up in here. That. Got some more right here. Let's get some more down in here. I want to kind of make the bottom kind of long. Get this one right here. Like I said on my project, you could use your glue gun to make sure they're well fastened or get them wired on. Beautiful. Then we're going to get I should have put these in first. Hang on. Slow down. We're going to get some yellows in here. Going to get some of these. Put this right here. This in there. We're going to get more yellows. Let's get them in here. This came off the floral. Look at that. Beautiful. And we're going to get another one on, let me see, I'm going to get another one on this side. There we go. How's it looking, everybody? Gotta get our little florals out. And this one right there. Wow. Okay, then we are going to fasten this beautiful little ribbon, which I made with my fall.Decorate. Yeah. Get it on there. There we go. Just going on there and voila. Got that on right here. Let's puff it up. I made this from the fall.Decorate. There we go. Then we are going to get this cute little butterfly, and we are just going to insert that right here. Like I said, you can use your glue guns. There we go. There it is, everybody. How cute and lovely. Once again, everybody, thank you for coming to my channel, and if you got any ideas or, inspirations, consider pressing the subscribe button and you will be notified of my upcoming videos, and you also be helping my channel grow with that much. Thanks. Let's get that smile on, everybody, and have a great day. Look at this. So beautiful. Look at that. Wow. I'm trying to get the fall, mixed with the summer colors, but hey, it came out pretty good. Just be creative and visualize, and thank you for watching my video. Like and share.